Good day. It is Stephen Davids here. In this video, I want to address a problem that you have as a publisher, and that is namely that you assume that the preview is part of the Kindle Creator. Just by way, I just want to say here that even if the book seems a little bit messy, the text does appear a little bit dirty. Even I put it with smudges there. It looks quite different when you view it in preview. So what you do then, go to book preview, then the top, and use the first intuitive feeling that you have as a publisher, unknown to Kindle Creator, is that you just click create preview, and then you will see the preview. In this case, it will show because I already done the previous work that I'm supposed to do. If you click create preview, nothing will happen the first time. The reason is that nothing will happen if you click this for the first time, because you must install Previewer as a separate program. You download Kindle Previewer, here it is, and then install it on your computer, and it will install as a separate program. You can also click on the Previewer separately from Creator. Only after you installed the preview program, then you will be able to look at your publication in the previewer. So let's go there. I already installed everything, so bear with me. If you click on, after you installed the program, this is what happened with me. You click preview, create book preview, nothing happened, and it asks you for the preview program. But you know, I did install it just a few minutes back. So what is then the problem? The issue is then here you go to settings, preferences, and in the preferences, you see there Kindle Preview, category name Kindle Preview. Here you must then get the Kindle Preview app. However, if you browse it here, you don't find the Kindle Preview app in the normal programs directory, simply because Kindle Preview is not installed in the default program directory. What you then do is you go to your previewer desktop as it is on the desktop. You left click the properties box, and in the left click properties you will see here down under properties. Go to properties, and here you see where it is located. This you simply control copy and cancel here, control copy, then go to notepad, insert it in notepad, and from here you then go back to your Kindle Creator. In your Kindle Creator, go to settings, preferences, and here you just control V, control copy it. And then you click OK, which I've done before. And now, only now, you will be able to, if you go to preview, create preview, it will create a preview. And in the preview, you will see here, the typing looks quite different. It is much neater. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share this video, and please subscribe.